Welcome to Art with Miss Walsh at Home Edition. This week, we're drawing fruits. Be sure to check out all the videos so that you can draw each of the fruits. Don't forget, artists, you can always pause and rewind the videos as many times as you need. You'll need something to draw on and something to draw with. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're gonna draw a strawberry. So I have something to draw on. I have something to draw with. I'm gonna use a marker so you can see it. Maybe try a pencil, something with an eraser or something that is light enough for you to draw over if you mess up. All right, we are going to start with the red part of the strawberry. So we're gonna do this part first and then we're gonna do the top part. So we're gonna use a curved line to start. Then we're gonna use a zigzag line. That's a line that goes down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we're gonna close it up with another curved line. And we can use a little rectangle to make the little stem. So a strawberry is a fruit. And fruits grow from the earth and they have seeds. So here we go. In the middle of our paper, I'm gonna draw a big smile. So I'm not gonna draw a little smile. I'm gonna draw a really, really big smile, almost like an upside down rainbow. I want a giant scoop that fills the whole space. So watch me. I'm gonna start and I'm gonna come down, down, down with a straight line, and I'm gonna scoop and I'm gonna swoop. And I'm gonna come back up with another straight line until I think I've matched where I started. So if that was hard for you, you could turn your paper over and you could draw a rainbow line and then flip it back over. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna make a zigzag line to close our strawberry. So a zigzag line is a line that has a bunch of pointy corners. It's made with straight lines, but they have lots and lots of corners. So we want points, almost like little tiny triangles in a row. So we're gonna make the zigzag line straight across our paper. We're gonna connect this guy with this guy using the zigzag line. So watch me. I'm gonna come down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Ooh, this one's little. They don't have to be all the same size and they don't have to be perfect. Great job. Okay, now we wanna close the top of our strawberry, but we don't wanna run out of room for our little stem. So we don't wanna come all the way up. We just kinda wanna make another rainbow line to close it. So we went from this zig to this zag, and we close it up with a curved rainbow line, a frowny face line. So we used a curved line down here, like in the shape of a smile, and we used a curved line up here in the frown shape. It's going down for a frown. Okay, now we want to use a little rectangle up here to give it a stem. So we're gonna come up, over, down. And that's about it, guys. Good job. It's just missing one more thing. Strawberries have little seeds. So we want to use our drawing utensil to make little circles. You don't want to do this. That's not what you're doing. That's going to hurt the head of the marker. He's going to say, ow, I have a headache. And he's probably not going to be ready the next time you go to use them. If you're using a crayon or a colored pencil and you're jabbing it into the paper, he's probably going to break, and it's going to be more difficult to use them the next time that you're coloring. So you want to be really careful, and you want to make little marks all over, little circles, little dots everywhere inside. You don't want to do it up here. You only want to do it in this part. This is the part that has the seeds. Okay, the only thing left is to color. So again, you can color your strawberry any way you want, but I'm going to use red and green. Here we go. I'm going to start up here at the top in these little shapes, and I'm going to go back and forth, back and forth. Then I'm going to start up here at this little tiny shape, and I'm going to do the same thing until I meet this red. I'm going back and forth. Now I'm going to start up here and be really careful. I'm going around the edges, back and forth. You want to stay inside the shape, not outside, but inside. So right now, I'm coloring around our zigzag line. Zigzag line. This part up here on top of the red, that's the stem of our strawberry. That's how we pluck it from where it grows off of. I'm going around the edges. I want to fill in all the white space. I'm going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm tickling inside of my strawberry shape. Good job, guys. Now, if you wanted a pink strawberry, you could use a different color red. You could use a pink red. You could use a purpley red. You could try to color 2 different types of red in the same space. But you just want to make sure all of your strawberry is red, juicy, colored in. Looks good. Okay, now let's do the top part. I'm starting at the edges, and I'm going to do the littlest shapes first. I like to start with the hardest. That way, I can be sure to be able to finish my tasks, finish all my work. I get the hard stuff out of the way, and then I move on. So I'm going to these teeny tiny shapes first. And then I can fill in the bigger shapes. You want to go really careful in the little shapes. You want to make sure that, oh, look, I was coloring too hard. My crayon broke. Broken crayons still work. The stem is green too, so I have to make sure I don't forget it. Get every last bit. Awesome! It looks so good we could eat it.